What's up, guys? Travis Ayla here, Mr. Unstuck for those that don't know me. Just out here at Tactical Dent TX. See my buddy John. Had some dents over here in the wrecks, and those that know me, I'm a little particular. I have massive attention to detail. Being in the Marine Corps, SWAT, business owner, like all the details matter, right? So when it comes to my baby here, like I don't just trust anybody, but I've always had a good relationship with John. Anything I've known about that guy is nothing but character. What I didn't know was the skill that man's got when it comes to pulling these things out. So massive shout out to the crew over there. And Johnny always runs a tip-top shape shop, and I can't wait to see what he does out here in Frisco when it comes to all things hail, dent, repair on auto body, things like that. Not only is the skill important, but something that's a lost art nowadays, service. And that man, service through the roof. You feel like your family, you feel like he's your brother. Talk shop, talk kingdom, talk whatever you want. He's got something relatable because he's just a man, he's just salt of the earth, right? So when you can have skill, service, and just like a good environment, good people, you know you're in the right spot. And relational over transactional all day long has always been my motto, and John and Tactical Dent TX are 100% that.